Today we're following the life of Jimmy D, the seed potato, and his quest to avoid blackleg. Here are Jimmy's friends, and they're at greater risk of the Pectobacterium infection because they're grown close together.
However, Jimmy is born in isolation, and he's a happy potato.
Increased biosecurity helps prevent the spread of Pectobacterium and keeps Jimmy alive.
Where practical, grow mini tubers in isolation from low quality seed generations and ware potato crops. There is not yet clear evidence that isolation of PB fields is beneficial, and the recommended separation distances.
The loss of dicot is a huge hit to the seed industry, as a slow burn down period can increase the risk of infection. The European Commission says that dicot will be withdrawn from production by the 4th of May 2019, with a use-up period by the 4th of Feb 2020. Quick drying of crop once in store decreases the risk of Pectobacterium spreading. Once Jimmy D has been cured, rapid cool down is key to prevent spread of infection. Yeah, thanks Jim. Pleased to hear you're doing well. Yeah, bye. As you can see, there are a number of factors that increase the risk of blackleg infection, and many challenges ahead. It's important to sustain a high level of hygiene throughout the multiplication. Whilst hygiene is expensive and sometimes difficult in practice, it can remove or reduce some infections. Collaboration and technology are going to be key if we're to save the lives of Jimmy D and his friends.